Welcome back, guys. So for this tutorial, first you're going to need an eyebrow pencil. If your eyebrow pencil doesn't come with a little brush like mine does, I suggest you get a brush. That way you can brush out your eyebrows before we start filling them in. Then you're going to need a flat brush to clean up your eyebrows with concealer. Then you're going to need your concealer. Now I actually picked up 2 shades of concealer. I got one that was lighter than my skin tone, and then I got one that matched my skin tone perfectly. And lastly, you're going to need a damp beauty sponge. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is take that part of your brush and brush your eyebrow hairs upwards. When you're filling your eyebrows in with the pencil, you always want to brush them upwards. That way your eyebrows could look more natural. Now I'm just going to take my eyebrow pencil and start filling in my eyebrows. I'm going to start from the part of my eyebrows that are a little bit more sparse, which is the back of my eyebrows. And I'm going to use short strokes. This is going to give your eyebrows a hair-like finish. And don't worry about making these strokes perfect. Whatever mistakes that you're going to make here will get covered up by the concealer. Once I get to filling in the front of my eyebrows, I like to draw a little line, just marking where the bottom starts, and then I like to go upward with those same little strokes I used to fill in the back of my eyebrows, just to make them look more natural. Now that eyebrow is filled in, I'm going to take the concealer that I have in the lighter shade and clean up the bottom of my eyebrows. Now I highly recommend the LA Girl Pro Concealer because of the tip that it has. To me, it just saves a little more time that I could just squeeze it out of the top and place it where I want it instead of using a brush to apply it this way. Now to clean up the top of my eyebrows, I'm going to take the concealer shade that's closest to my skin tone, and I'm going to use that to just clean up the top. In my opinion, when you use something that's your skin tone to clean up the top of your eyebrows, they look a little more realistic instead of having that harsh highlight on the top. And to blend out those harsh lines, I'm just going to take my damp beauty sponge to blend them out before I clean them up more with my brush. Dripping lights, paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights, paint the skies, only you. Now I'm just going to take my flat brush and do some fine tuning to my eyebrow. This is a step where you can just clean them up, shape them to the way that you want to, or fix any mistakes that you may have made. And now this eyebrow is all done. Now I'm just going to do all of those same exact steps in the same order on my other eyebrow.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me so alive. Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I surrender it. Hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me so alive. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals.
That is it for this eyebrow tutorial, you guys. I hope my tips and tricks were helpful to you, and make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more. I'll see you guys soon.